Greetings from the Office of Accessibility at Winthrop University. The following tutorial will walk you through how to access your student AIM account. AIM is a comprehensive accommodation appointment and case management software. You can request accommodation letters and submit requests to the test center all in one place with AIM. There are a few ways that students can gain access to the Student AIM portal. First is through the Office of Accessibility's webpage. Step-by-step instructions for this method will be reviewed in a few moments. Students can also access the portal through any of the emails that are sent to their Winthrop email accounts from AIM. To log into the Student AIM portal via the Winthrop website, we are going to begin at the Winthrop main page, winthrop.edu. In the top right-hand corner, find Academics, and then find Resources and Support Services. Then in the left-hand menu, find Accommodations. Now that you are on the Office of Accessibility's webpage, you will go to the left-hand menu and find Students. Under the Students tab, you will click on Accommodation Information Management AIM Software. On this page, you'll scroll down and click on Student AIM Portal. Now you will log in using your Winthrop credentials, which are the same as your Wingspan and Winthrop email accounts. As always, if you need assistance, please contact the Office of Accessibility. We can be reached via phone at 803-323-3290 or via email at accessibility@winthrop.edu.